how to use a fade in and fade out option on video on CapCut. So firstly, launch CapCut app in your device. After that, select the video that you want to edit. You can import videos from your gallery by clicking on the New Project button. If you want to edit the video that you have previously edited, then you can look through the option of projects. Now just to show you guys, I'm gonna open this video. Here at the bottom panel, you will see no such options for animation. Now for that, we need to select the clip, and if I select a clip, then you will see an option called animation in the bottom panel. Now select the video clip from your timeline. After that, click on animation. Now there will be options such as in, out and combo. Firstly, go to the in option and select fade in. From the bottom, you can drag this line to increase or decrease the time of animation. Now select the section of out. After that, select the option called fade out. You can also adjust the time by dragging this button. I'm just gonna put both of them in 1.8 seconds. Now if you watch the video, then it will look something like this. And then at the end, you will see a fade out animation. Now if you want the animation throughout the video, then you can select combo. From combo, you can select an animation that will last throughout the video. But yeah, this is how you can use a fade in and fade out animation in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful to you, and that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.